Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to earn money with Fiverr affiliate. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that we're going to do guys is in a new tab, search for Fiverr affiliate. Once you do that, go ahead and click on this link, the Fiverr affiliates program. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. Right here, you're gonna find boost your earning by driving traffic to Fiverr. Join us as an affiliate. It's free to get started, access marketing materials, tools, and more. Promote Fiverr, share Fiverr with your target audience. There is a match for every need. And right here, start earning. Earn right from the moment your traffic converts. Check out our commission plan. So go ahead and click on join now. And then you're gonna be right here in this sign up page for Fiverr affiliate. So right here you need to enter your informations such as your first name, your last name, your email address, username and password, your account type. You need to answer this question: do you have a main source of traffic? Yes or no. Your country from the list, your language, and right here you need to enter your Skype. And then once you finish filling this form, go ahead and click on next and then follow the steps until you join Fiverr affiliate. Once you do that, you're going to be able to earn money just by uh, bringing traffic to Fiverr. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.